Kitchen curtains are more than just window coverings. They add style, warmth, and personality to your kitchen space. Whether you're aiming for a classic, modern, or cozy vibe, the right curtains can completely transform the look of your kitchen. Let's dive into some beautiful and practical kitchen curtain ideas that will inspire your next decor refresh. If you want to let in natural light but maintain some privacy, calf curtains are a fantastic option. These curtains cover just the lower half of the window, allowing sunlight to flood the room while keeping your counters and workspace private. They're perfect for cozy farmhouse-style kitchens. Fabric ideas. Opt for gingham or linen for a rustic feel, or sheer fabrics if you prefer a more modern, breezy look. For those who love clean lines and a tailored look, Roman shades are a stylish choice. These shades fold up neatly when open and provide full coverage when drawn. They're ideal for both contemporary and traditional kitchens. Fabric ideas. Consider neutral tones for a minimalistic approach, or go bold with patterns like stripes or florals for a more eye-catching statement. If your kitchen gets limited sunlight or you simply want to enhance the brightness, sheer curtains are your go-to. These lightweight curtains filter light beautifully, giving your kitchen an airy, open feel. They're perfect if you love a fresh, light-filled space. Fabric ideas. Look for soft, white or pastel-colored sheer fabrics to complement a bright, cheerful kitchen design. Balances add a decorative touch without covering the entire window, making them perfect if you don't need privacy but want some extra charm. They work well in small kitchens or in combination with other window treatments. Style ideas. Ruffled valances add a vintage touch, while straight, tailored valances can give your kitchen a sleek, modern feel. For those who love a little drama in the kitchen, curtains with bold patterns or bright colors can be a fun addition. Think geometric prints, floral designs, or even whimsical patterns like fruits or vegetables. Pairing tip. If your kitchen decor is neutral, bold curtain patterns can add a lively contrast, making the space feel vibrant and inviting. If your kitchen faces a sunny side and gets too warm during the day, consider blackout curtains. They're practical, especially if you want to reduce glare while cooking or during meals. Plus, blackout curtains can add a cozy, moody touch to your kitchen design. Fabric ideas. Darker tones like charcoal, navy, or deep green can create a sophisticated and modern look. Layering curtains offers the best of both worlds, style and functionality. You can combine sheer curtains with thicker drapes or Roman shades for a versatile look. This way, you control the light levels and privacy depending on your needs throughout the day. Design tip. Choose neutral shades for the underlayer and a pop of color or pattern for the top layer to add depth and interest to your windows. If you prefer an earthy, organic feel in your kitchen, curtains made from natural materials like bamboo or jute are a great option. These materials add texture and warmth, complementing a rustic or eco-friendly kitchen decor. Bonus: bamboo shades are durable and easy to clean, making them both a stylish and practical option. If you love a sleek, minimalist kitchen design, roller shades are a great option. They provide a simple, clean look and can be easily rolled up or down depending on your needs. They're also available in a wide range of colors and fabrics. Style tip: opt for light gray or beige tones for a minimalist, Scandinavian-inspired kitchen. Lace curtains bring a touch of vintage elegance to any kitchen. They're delicate, charming, and perfect if you want a soft, romantic feel. Lace works particularly well in country-style kitchens or homes with a cottagecore aesthetic. Style ideas. Pair lace curtains with wooden frames or rustic decor for a cohesive vintage look. For a truly unique touch, consider custom printed curtains with designs that reflect your personality or the theme of your kitchen. You can choose prints that match your kitchen decor or even include personalized graphics, quotes, or favorite colors. Bonus idea. Custom prints allow you to incorporate elements of your kitchen, like matching the curtain pattern to your backsplash or wall art. Don't forget the little details. Curtain rods and holdbacks can add an extra layer of style to your kitchen window treatments. Choose decorative rods with finials or vintage-inspired